Hello everybody, my name is Scorchdzn and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to create these waveform shapes in Adobe Illustrator, so without further ado, let's get right into it. For the first shape, go to the tools bar and into the line tool. Then right click and choose polar grid, then double click on it and make sure both these dividers are set on 10 or more. Then we create the shape, align it to the middle, then choose it and go to object, envelope distort, then make with mesh. Make sure to set both rows and columns to 2, then press A or this tool right here, select the anchor in the middle and move it as you'd like. Moving on, let's choose the rectangular grid, dividers set to 8 this time, create the shape, align it to the middle, choose the transform tool, select the shape once again, selective warp, then go to the corners and drag it to make the shape look like this. Now resize the shape to make it look like a smaller plane. Warp its perspective once more if you'd like. Align it to the middle again. Envelope distort with the same settings as before. And change the anchor as we please. Now onto our next shape. We select the ellipse tool and create one. Change the stroke to 2 pixels. Select the shape, effects, 3D and materials, 3D and classic and revolve. Inside this menu, make sure to change the surface to wireframe. You can also change the offset and rotation of the shape as you can see. Now to make sure the shape is correct, select the latter, then object and expand appearance to change this shape's parameters. Then you can align it or change its color. Lastly, we create the same round ellipse. This time, we remove an anchor point. Then the same as before, 3D and materials, 3D and classic, and revolve again. Make sure it is on the right edge, surface to wireframe, and change the settings as you'd like. And you can also do the objects expand appearance, and you can change the stroke color or the settings of this shape. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, as that will help me a lot and support me. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Hey, yeah, 1 time for the pretty women, 2 times for my brother's living, 3 times for the city limits. Look, yeah, just landing back from Anaheim. Damage rappers through my mind, troubles calmed within the newest time. Trying to reach my prime, but I need a ladder to climb. The questions that I'm asking, let's relax and what I lack.